Everyone. My name's Angie Candell, and I'm an entrepreneur that lives near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I have two Etsy shops. One is where I make handmade jewelry and wedding accessories, and the other one is where I make hand painted home and garden decor. On top of that, I'm also a professional photographer, so I like doing all things creative. This YouTube channel, it's kind of been a little eclectic. Sorry about that. Um, I like doing a little bit of everything, so I'm going to try to make this channel a little bit of everything that I do. So for this video, it's a recent project that I was working on the past couple of days. It's a tin box. I'm not sure if it was a tackle box or something else. But I got it at Goodwill, and I like to restore and redo things to make them pretty. And so I just repainted this. So this is the process. I lost the first couple of videos. I must have recorded over them that showed the very beginning of the process, but you get the point. By the time this video is up, I'll probably have this piece listed in my Etsy shop, which I will link in the description below. So anyway, enjoy. If you guys have any comments or questions about my process, or if you'd like to order a custom piece, I'd love to talk to you. Thanks.